Alright, today we are going to season the smoker. So what I'm going to do is I got some vegetable oil. That's all I had on hand was vegetable oil. So I got it in the sprayer. I'm going to completely spray down the inside, the walls, the door. I've already done the racks. After I get that all sprayed down, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the heat on from anywhere between 275 and 300. Then crank some smoke through it for about maybe an hour and a half. See how we're looking after that. And then after that's done, I will try and get a slab of ribs going today on here. We shall see. So let me get this started.
Darling, every time we meet, I feel the rush, I feel the heat from a fire burning deep within. I don't know what we're headed for, we can't fight anymore. Now we're throwing caution to the wind. We're racing toward each other on a road we never tried. There's bound to be a mighty crash when hearts collide. Baby, hold on, this could get dangerous. There are warnings all around, but we just don't care. There's no way, nowhere love's taking us. Just don't let it go, cause there ain't no getting off till we get there.
Alright, well that is all oiled up. Ready to run some smoke through this. So I'll get the heat going and I'll get the smoke going and I'll see you in a minute. Alright, so it's in the seasoning process. It's up to 260. It's getting up there in temperature. I got the cold smoke generator going. Had to use a different air pump. The other one wasn't quite strong enough, so I got one hooked up to it. Take a look inside here real quick. Not a whole lot of smoke yet, but I just got it started, so we'll let this go, and we'll come back to it in about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Alright, well I got it seasoned to the best it's going to get today, so it's been going about 2 hours. It's getting a little tinge to it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to throw a slab of spare ribs in here real quick, let them cook, and should wrap up this this build. Man, it's been a beast. All right. All right, we are holding temperature at 229. It's been about 3.5 hours. I'm gonna take a look at them. See how they're looking. Looking good, looking good. Could have probably used a little more color, so I will have to adjust that on the smoke generator, but they are looking good. They are looking really good. Alright, that's pretty much it. That is the build, and I will be enjoying these ribs. And yep, it was a journey. I thank everybody for watching. Take care.
Baby, hold on, this could get dangerous. There